In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send contracts for signature in under 2 minutes, no matter how complex the document. Stick around because I'll be sharing a simple trick that could save you tons of time with contracts, and I'm also giving you an exclusive free trial to the software we're using, only for viewers of this channel. You've probably used a few signature tools already, but I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to get contracts signed, even when you're on the go. First, start by uploading your contract. All you need to do is open the software we're using today and click on the upload button. Drag your contract in or browse your computer to find the file. It only takes a second to upload, and this step is crucial for getting started. Next, you'll add your signers. Whether it's just one person or several, the software makes it super simple. Just enter their name and email address, and the software automatically sends them an invitation to sign the document. You can even set specific places in the document where they need to sign, date, or initial. This saves a lot of time and reduces errors. Once your signers are added, it's time to configure any extra settings. You can add a message for your recipients, remind them about the deadline, or even set an expiration date for the contract. This is where you can fine-tune your process to make sure everything goes smoothly. Then hit send and let the software do the rest. Your contract will be sent instantly, and your signers will receive an email with a secure link to sign the document. This entire process, uploading, configuring, and sending, can be done in under 2 minutes. It's that fast. Now let's talk about the software we're using today. It's simple, quick, and secure. Everything you need to get contracts signed without wasting any time. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: sending contracts for signature in under 2 minutes is possible by using efficient software that allows quick uploads, signer management, and easy customization. In today's fast-paced world, time is money, and by using the software I showed you, you can speed up your contract process while keeping everything secure. Just to recap, you upload the contract, add your signers, set your preferences, and send it. That's all it takes to get a signed document quickly. Remember, if you want to try out the software we use today, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Take advantage of it before it expires. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.